Good morning, students. I hope you are very well. Today we are started our online classes. Okay. Our first topic is Coulomb's law. Okay. Uh, Started unit number first. The chapter first. The name of chapter is electrostatic charge and field. Okay. It is a very famous law of Coulomb's law in year 1785. Okay, Coulomb's gives a law. According to this law, the force of attractions and repulsions between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of these 2 point charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between these 2 point charges and act along the joint these two forces. Okay, so we are consider a 2 point charges. First is q1 and q2. The distance between these 2 point charges is r. Okay, so let first q1 and q2. Okay, 2 point charges F applied force and R distance between 2 point charges. Okay, so according to Coulomb's first, the product of magnitude of these 2 point charges is directionally the force. Okay, it means F is directly proportional q1 and q2. Do the equation number first. Again, Coulomb says, and the square of distance, it means the square of r is inversely proportional to the applied force. Okay, it means F is inversely proportional r square. Okay, do the equation number second. From equation number first and second, we can write F is directly or inversely proportional q1 q2 upon में r square. Okay, you know that we are remove a proportionality sign, a constant is included. Okay, so F is equal to k q1 q2 upon r square, where k is a proportionality constant. Okay, and its value in SI, k is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught, and the numerical value of k is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Okay, where epsilon naught, it is a permittivity of free space. Okay, permittivity of free space, and its the value is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, and its unit is okay same. You can exchange epsilon naught here and k is here. The unit is Coulomb's square Newton meter square. Okay, and this is a law of Coulomb's. Okay, what is a point charge? Okay, so point charge we can decide it if in SI, if put F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton, both charge are same, q1 q2 is equal to q and the distance is appeared 1 meter. R is 1 meter. Then putting this value in above value in equation number 3, 9 into 10 to the power 9 is equal to, we can use a value of k numerical values. Okay, 9 into 10 to the power 9 and q1 into q2 upon में 1 square. Okay, this is cancel and q square is equal to 1 and k is equal to, you can solve this, the k is equal to plus minus 1. It means q is equal to 1. Okay, it means this is the unit charge, या point charge. Okay, so I hope you can understanding the Coulomb's law. First of all, you learn a definition of Coulomb's law. Okay, according to Coulomb's, the force of attractions and repulsions between 2 point charges, the magnitude of 2 point charges. Okay, here, and the square of distance between inversely proportional to the applied force. It means F is inversely proportional to 1 upon r square. Okay, so we can explain a Coulomb's law. I hope you can understand the Coulomb's law. Thank you.